I'm from Glen Park and Eastland Food Relief Service, and we are the Community Event of the Year. The news was like wildfire. We were getting calls from New South Wales from our family saying that they'd seen it on Facebook. It hasn't really sunk in because for us it's what we do, it's our job, it's our everyday, and to be recognised at that level it's quite humbling. It's an honour. Our staff, our team, our volunteers and the people that support us, our stakeholders, are so proud and they're so overwhelmed with the recognition. So our food collection service is designed to help people that are low income earners, that are struggling financially, that are just needing that extra bit of support. The reason we started this service was because we were seeing more and more people reaching out to us for help. We were seeing more and more people coming to us to get them in touch with services that could help them with emergency relief. So we thought we could be better placed to service our community from here. So last year, as a result of COVID, we really had to change the way we provided emergency relief. There was a need to expand our emergency relief, and people were unable to get to us as easily as they could before because of the 5-kilometre restrictions. So we partnered with Eastland to expand our ability to reach those people.
So we've had a long-standing relationship with Glen Park for just over 2 years now. I think we made it easier, and we were mindful of that at the start, not to complicate it. We just wanted something that was going to slot in with Glen Park really easy, and we certainly were able to deliver that. I think that's what made the whole process so seamless, the fact that it could just happen without any major fanfare. It just happened. So they would come in and just approach either our staff that would be situated out the front in our valet area or our guest services hub, and would just make themselves known that they were there to collect some meals, and it would be as straightforward and as simple as that. So the team on site were able to just collect the food, whether it be from the freezer or the fridge, just at the back of our hub area, and hand them over, and as I said, just make it as simple and as easy as possible to handle that transaction.
We had provided emergency relief food for a young Indigenous man and his family. I contact every single person that reaches out to us for emergency relief to make sure that they've got the support that they need. It was the first day of his VCE exams. So he was only 18, he was the carer for his mum who was quite unwell. And was needing that extra bit of support. But this young man was working, caring for his mum, and was sitting his first VCE exam. We were able to get him in touch with a number of different support services, and I've actually only just recently spoken to him, and he's doing exceptionally well. So I think that was a big proud moment for us, and a big eye-opener as well. Had we have not connected with this young man through Eastland Order and Collect service that we were providing, he may not have been able to connect with these other services, and to be that age and have that much responsibility, it's overwhelming to think that that is happening in our community. But the fact that we could help him and connect him to those services, it makes me feel proud. It makes me feel really happy that this is my job. It makes me feel privileged that I work in a community that supports that sort of service and that recognises that is a community event worthy of this award.